I'm just going to take an example how to solve a given problem using Hungarian method, right? So before starting this, let me move to a question. Suppose there are 5 jobs that has to be performed by 5 various operator, right? So here it is the matrix. Here these are job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are jobs here. Here it is operator or man. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And their time of processing is given 10, 12, 15, 12, 8, 7, 16, 14, right? 14, 11, 13, 14, 7, 9, 9, 12, 10, 11, 13, 10, 8, 13, 15, 11, 15, right? So this is a problem. Here these are the jobs and this is man, right? So we have to assign a particular job to a particular person. So how to assign this? If you do it manually, how many number of combinations are there? 5 by 5. So there will be so many combinations. We cannot find it manually. So what we do now? Just select the minimum element in the first row is 8. In this row it's 7. In third row is again 7. Then in this row is 10. And in this row 8. Now what you have to do? We have find the smallest element in the first row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this smallest element from all the element of the first row. Similarly for second row, third row and fourth row and fifth row, right? So after subtracting, I am writing it once again. It will become 2, 4, 7, 4, 0, 0, 9, 7, 7, 4. Then 6, 7, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, 5, 7, 3, 7. Again what you have to do? Is that find minimum row. Here 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. Find the smallest element in each column. Now subtract this element from this column. It will become like this. Right? So after subtracting this, it will become 2, 4, 7, 2, 0, 0, 9, 7, 5, 4 6 7 0 0 2 2 0 1 1 0 0 5 7 1 7, right? Now we have 0 in each row and each column. Now we have to assign. First we have to search in a column, search for 0 1 0 in first row, so this is assigned, and we have to draw a vertical line passing through this, right? Now come to the second row, again we can assign here, this will be cross. Move to the second row, third row, here we have 2 0, so we cannot assign. In next we can assign here. Going back to the next row, completed. Now we have to do it in column, single 0, so this is single 0, assign. Now you have to draw a horizontal line. So this is the assignment. Now you can see how many assignments are there. 1 2 3 4. So here the problem is not optimal, because the number of assignments should be equal to the number of rows or column. Now we have to do the iteration. Okay, so we are having 0 0 0 0 at various places. Now what do you have to do? Find the minimum among all which is unassigned. What is that? The value is 1. You can see here it is 1. So now we have to do it. So what will we do? We will add, the element which has single crossing, this will be same as it is, where at the intersection point 1 will be added, and from all remaining element it will be subtracted. So I am just writing it after doing the operations. Two 4 6 1 0 0 9 6 4 4 7 8 0 0 3 2 0 0 0 0 0 5 6 0 7. Now more you have to assign. Search for this row, this is assigned, this is cross. Search for another row, this is assigned, this is cross. We cannot assign, we can assign here. Okay, now moving back to the column, we can assign here. Column again, we can assign here. I think the problem is solved now. 1 2 3 4 5. So here we are having 5 assignment. So what is the meaning of this? First means job 1 has to be performed by 5th person, man number 5. Second job has to perform by 1st person, and so on. So here what you can do, it is a time, so you can find out total time of this, right? So you can write in this way. Here job operator and time. So job 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 3 2 4 and the time 8 7 7 10 and 11. Now just add this time, you will get the answer. Okay, so this was all about how to solve a assignment problem. I think it is clear to you. Okay, so we can solve the problem in this manner, in a very easy and accurate way. Okay, so this is very simple. Now let me take another example. So consider a problem of assigning 4 salesperson to 4 different sales regions as shown in the question. So try to maximize the sale. So what we can do here, here it is the problem. They are salesmen 1 2 3 4 and these are sales region. Ten, 22, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 10, 24, 20, 12, 18. Okay, 16, 14, 24, 20. So here it is said that we need to maximize. So what can we do? As we know, the Hungarian method is used for the minimization problem. So here what we can do is that, so one thing you can do is that just multiply it by -1. So all value will become negative, right? So you can multiply by -1, all value will become negative. The problem is converted into the minimization type, right? Again, now you have to search the smallest element from each row and just perform the operation by your own. After doing this, you have to do it in column as well, and after doing the column operation, the matrix will be converted into this form. I'm just skipping 2 steps. You can do it by your own. Twelve, 0, 10, 4, 6, 4, 0, 8, 0, 4, 12, 2, 8, 10, 0, 0. Now we have to